fabulous, sir. Good work.
This is what happens when your local booster decides the hype of Stanley Cups was just too antagonizing and decides to do the race on police.
With products stuck into them. Okay. Here's my video of her. So.
Did you guys walk out?
Did I walk out?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is her. And I was trying to, sorry, let me,
Okay.
no, I'm not sure what the product she had in the bags, but I know that it was the 2 bog bags and then product was stuffed in there.
Gotcha. What is your first name?
Melissa.
I'm going to send you a link. Can you send me that video?
Absolutely. We just did this on Monday.
So I was coming from Bright Road.
Yeah.
So since I was behind her, there was 3 guys in front of her, so I'm hoping one of them gets her whichever way she ended up going. So
yeah, but
because one went towards the 99 the highway, so she may be getting to him here just a second.
Yeah, it was like, it didn't look.
Hoping I hear it on my radio.
yeah, she put them in, obviously you can see her putting them in the trunk of her car. If I pause this, if we start it right there. Sorry.
You just go outside and wait on her?
Well, I was right here, and then I was just trying to get a license plate.
With a tan coat, boots on. I just saw you walk out of my store with 2 bog bags filled with stuff.
She tried to say.
They were, because they were in.
She said that's not my stuff.
Bags.
She goes, that's not your stuff.
I literally just saw you walk out.
Can you get me at least a price on the bags and like a receipt or something?
Blush, big blush one, small one.
She's still running?
She's still.
They're by the highway on 99 there, so they're not anywhere close that I can help. So no reason for me to even try.
Oh yeah, I get to fill out another one of these.
Hey, at least we caught this one.
Yeah. Well, you guys had a lady.
Now, I will tell you, it's dangerous going out there, even to get a license plate, but the license plate does help a lot.
I know.
Hi.
Well, I'm only saying I went out to the sidewalk.
Yeah, well, I mean, you could say you went out and got the license plate.
Yeah.
I mean, you didn't have much of a conversation with her anyway.
No.
Well, you weren't trying to stop her, necessarily.
No.
So, I'm sure that's against your policy.
Yeah, we're supposed to use sidewalk, and that's about it.
Yeah.
After receiving a statement from the manager, officers had a full description of the suspect. It was time to search for the thief. Moments later, officers spotted the vehicle, and a high-speed chase ensued as they attempted to apprehend the suspect.
We are eastbound on North Dixie Highway. If someone can communicate to this Perrysburg Township unit behind me to come take the one position, I'll give it up. Ran the red light at Fort Meigs Boulevard, westbound. They're at the traffic light at Levis Commons and Jefferson Street. Through that intersection, we're coming up to the diverging diamond here at 75, 475 split. We're going to get back on 475 southbound. Out on 25. They just took a pit on her. stealing from Dick's.
Oh, a fucking ball game.
You weren't running, were you?
No. I walked back. Ball bag. $100 ball bag.
Come down here and play it.
Thanks, guys.
Get caught up to do it too.
Thank you, guys.
I didn't
868 quarters.
Big one from Stanley all the way up here.
I talked to the lady and everything.
Females in custody. We're at 75 and the 25 inch new Troy exit.
Woo! Y'all get a big reward, huh? Y'all get a big reward for this?
You did a felony.
Big reward.
You go to prison now for stealing some clothes. That's stupid.
Guess what? Slap on the wrist. First time. Okay. Never do.
Not in Hancock County.
Wrong county, honey. You're not Lucas
Not
County
Lucas anymore.
Wow.
Over here.
The best lawyer. Hancock and Lucas everywhere, baby.
Yeah, I'm on one.
Everywhere. See y'all soon. Great job.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Whenever you guys get a chance, whoever's in this, the evidence is in the trunk. They said she put it in the trunk. Okay.
I'll get you out of here.
That's good. We're gonna have a tow truck come get it. So okay. I got another officer. Should be here in a second. So
Good job.
thanks.
You good? You all right?
I'm good. Yeah, good.
Photos of everything you want, bro.
We got a tow truck coming. I just need to get in the trunk. However you open the trunk on this stupid thing. There we go. There it is. Some pictures.
All for a little stuff.
Yeah, for a misdemeanor. Kind of dumb, but
What do you need help with?
I got a tow truck coming. I'm just gonna get our evidence here and go from there.
We gotta set up here, though.
I thought you guys had her boxed in there, but $494. So I've got a whole bunch of Stanleys, some clothes, like a black rubber bag, a purple rubber bag, and a plastic bag with clothes. Does that sound about right? You're clear. That's all the stuff she stole. Stupid ass. I know. Why do they do this? Good.
Let's take my phone off the hood, please.
Oh yeah, we'll get there. You're not getting it though. So
I mean, I just want to call and make sure my baby back with my daughter. That's it.
if you would have stopped in Findlay, and we would have wrote you a court date, and you would have left, and then you could have called your dad or your baby dad and your
I didn't
daughter.
know how Finley works, so I wanted to get to Toledo.
Toledo, and now what's
And
happening?
then I
You
went
got a
to
felony.
Perrysburg, and then I'm like, fuck Perrysburg, so I was like, let me get to Toledo.
It's terrible excuses. All right, but no, you're not going to use your phone anytime soon. So sit tight, enjoy the
Well, I
calmness.
got a newborn baby. I just need. Can you call him?
Let me tell you something right now. I am being a dick. I don't give a shit. Okay, you know how many lives you just put in danger out there? Myself, all these officers, all the citizens out there, and then you're worried about your little baby. You could have stayed home and taken care of him like a good mom.
I am.
Piece of shit.
I did.
I'm not going on
This is my second one.
No, because I jumped in right behind.
Yeah, what happens all the time down there. She's in there whining. I need to go take care of my little baby.
Is that her?
Yeah.
You guys had one they stole from like the Best Buy warehouse?
Yeah.
And they flipped that.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
They flipped the Pacifica. I worked in early with Williams, and they get off and try to go the wrong way and flipped it, and then tried to run across to Baymont in Northwood.
What's her name?
Oh, I think that was
Angelica.
You ain't shit but a bitch with a badge, bitch. All of y'all. Good work. Good work, officer. Good work. Fucking dumbasses. For a fucking purse. Y'all slow as fuck. Did all that shit for a purse, and they just fucked my car up. Nah, I really ain't gotta pay for my car. Hey! Hey! I'm trying to get you. Open the door. Why the fuck is y'all counting my money, bitch? Bitch. And he keep touching my motherfucking wallet like you about to touch my money. Why is y'all in my money? Fuck wrong with y'all? Fucking pigs. Thief ass pigs. Your mama bitch and your ugly ass kids, bitch. Bitch ass motherfucker. Bitch.
Thanks for watching. Do you think the Stanley Cups was worth it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Code 3 Views. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss another compelling upload of real-life police encounters. See you in the next video.